In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an A record using the DNS Zone Editor at Hostinger. This change is all about directing traffic to the correct IP address by linking your domain, so let's dive into the process together. First things first, we'll need to access the DNS Zone Editor. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, head straight to the domain section, which you'll typically find in the main navigation menu. You'll see an option called Domain Portfolio there. Click on it to view a list of all your domains. Now find the specific domain you want to work with. When you have it, go ahead and click on Manage. This will open up the management settings for that domain. To really dig into the DNS settings, look for the tab that says DNS/name servers and click on it. Now that we're in the right place, we can move on to adding the new A record. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Manage DNS Records. This is where you'll do the bulk of your DNS configuration. You'll notice an option to add a new record. This might be listed as plus a record or simply add record, depending on the interface version you're using. Click on that option. It's time to fill in the details for your new A record. First up, set the type to A, which is critical for ensuring your domain is linked correctly to an IP address. Next, you'll need to fill out the name field. Here, you have options. Enter @ if you want this to apply to your root domain. However, if you're setting it for a specific subdomain, like www, you'll put that instead. In the points to or address field, input the IPv4 address that you wish your domain to connect to. This numeric string is essentially the destination where all your website requests will be sent. If a field for TTL or time to live pops up, you can generally leave it at the default value unless given specific instructions to change it by your hosting provider or a website admin. Once all these details are correctly entered, finalize the process by clicking Add Record. This action saves your new A record, officially directing your domain to the specified IP address. Keep in mind that DNS changes might take some time to propagate, so be patient if you don't see immediate results. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added an A record to your domain at Hostinger, steering web traffic where it needs to go. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to dive into more tips and tricks about managing your domains.